Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in the correct options and a single key for consistency. Open Settings, enable Confirm Edit on Release, then turn on Reset Building Choice. These two toggle behaviors let edits revert automatically. Next, find a dedicated Reset/Edit key, a spare mouse button, or an easy keyboard key so you can train muscle memory. Once done, make sure sensitivity and key placement feel natural because timing depends on quick, repeatable presses, not guessing. Now you align binds so your hand movement is minimal. Put Edit on a thumb button and set Reset Building to the same button or adjacent key. That reduces travel time. Also check your key repeat and debounce in any mouse software. Lower delay helps. Once mapped, enter a creative island and perform 5 repeated edit and reset sequences at normal speed. If edits feel delayed, adjust key binds or turn off conflicting macros. Smooth timing is the goal, not extra complexity. Finish by practicing under pressure and checking one key troubleshooting tip. Run 1-minute drilling sets, 30 edits with resets, to create rhythm and learn when to release versus hold. If the reset doesn't trigger, immediately verify Confirm Edit on Release and Reset Building Choice are still on, then look for conflicting binds or software macros that intercept the key. Make sure your mouse firmware isn't adding delay. Once everything feels consistent, the auto-reset behavior becomes reliable in match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.